Alright, hello people. I've got good weather out there at the moment, so what I'm going to do is chop the banana plant, which is there, chop that back, ready for winter. You just leave the single growing bit there and chop the other leaves off. Did that last year and it's worked out alright. We are expecting frost at the weekend, so I'm also going to, down there in that corner, I'm going to drain out the irrigation timer and put that away for the winter while the weather's good. Right, let's get out of there.